Alam mo itong budbud, ay budbud. Ah, alam mo ito. Kamis naman, nagsama-sama. Oh, may budbud. May budbud. May budbud, me.
Dala ko na lang yung gilikad nain, di ba?
Ay, kalami. Okay, gusto ni Ayin na. Ito na, nagdala, napuno na gahong freezer. Mel, may freezer.
Magsuman tayo.
Oh, mayroon ka. Uy, kalami. Thank you, ate. O, diba? This is my favorite meal. You know that meal?
Rice or sweet rice.
Sweet rice. Yeah.
Steak, oh.
Uy, that's big steak. Mel, you eat na. Eat na. Just a steak, just mild. Sorry. You want bread for that? You want some bread?
No, I just want to relax.
Still frozen? You can put it there, te.
Where's my creamer?
Ate. Hindi kami Dunkin Donut. Tapay buko. Oh, ayan, oh, naka-Dunkin Donut. Oh, diba? Nakakaon po budbud sa wakas. Di apay donut, Dunkin Donut. 8 hours travel.